If it's in my mind, it's already here. As I align, everything is clear. Every vision I hold inside is waiting for the moment I decide. What I'm searching for is searching